In this video, I'm going to show you how to make images clickable in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I want this image to be clickable to my YouTube channel. So what we first need to do is come on over here, and now we need to put this text in. So we need to type in hyperlink, and then I'm going to put in my YouTube channel, and then we need the image link as well. So I've got in my YouTube channel, and now I need to get the link. So I want to right click on my logo and click on copy image address, come back here, and then I'm going to paste that address in like so. Control V, and then end it like so, and then hit enter. And now if I click onto that, click onto my YouTube channel name, there we go, it's going to send me to my channel. Now we can do that with whatever we want to do. So we can link to Google. So I'm going to change this to google.com. Make sure to put in the www, and then I'm just going to go Google. Now I'm going to search for, say, some dog images. All right, this one here. Now right click it, same as before. Click on to copy image address. Now I'm just going to change this URL to that, hit enter. Now if we click on this image, that's going to link us to Google.